Hello lovely people, I am Akanksha and welcome to Get Lady Akanksha. Bioderma is a French skincare brand. They have quite a few range which are specially formulated for different skin types. Of lately, I have been trying out 3 products from their Sensi Bio range which is meant for normal to sensitive skin. In this video, we are going to be talking about 2 of their products from the Sensi Bio range, which is the Gel Moussant and the Tonic, which is the toner basically. Sensi Bio range is specially formulated for skin which is sensitive, irritated, one that has been compromised of the natural skin barrier. These products do not contain any fragrance, alcohol, colorant or any irritating ingredient. Now at first let's talk about the cleanser, which is the Gel Moussant. This has a very runny consistency unlike normal skin cleansers. It is a micellar cleansing foam. It does not foam up that much though. It has a mild, slightly citrusy fragrance, which is not because of any sort of added perfume but because of the ingredient itself. The fragrance is pleasant. It's not that pungent or so. It cleanses your skin really well. It also washes off really quickly unlike some other soap-free formulations. It has a very good ingredient composition as well. It has water as the main solvent. Then it has certain amount of surfactants, sodium lauryl sarcosinate, PEG 20 glyceryl isostearate, laureth 2, sodium cocoa amphos acetate, emollient and humectant as well, like propanediol, glycerol oleate, which also renders a fragrance and also gives the emulsifying effect to the formulation. It has fructo-oligosaccharide, lecithin, hydrogenated palm glyceride citrate. Then it has 2 antioxidants which are ascorbyl palmitate and tocopherol, and lastly it has some stabilizers and buffering agents like citric acid and sodium citrate. Most of the ingredients are surfactants, which is the cleansers, and the humectants and emollients, which are the moisturizers. So basically this cleanses your skin, does not makes your skin super stretchy or squeaky clean, but also gives your skin that hydration as well. So that's something I really liked about this cleanser. Now let's move on to the toner, which is the tonic, the Sensi Bio Tonic. Now they say that it is a soothing lotion. Now obviously it does not has a lotion kind of a formulation or consistency, rather it has a very toner kind of a liquidy consistency, pretty much like water. Now this toner actually has good amount of glycerin in it. It is the second ingredient of the ingredient list, so that renders a little tacky feeling. Other than that, it's a really good hydrating toner, again because glycerin इसमें इतनी ज़्यादा quantity में है, so it does provide the ample amount of hydration that you need. Along with glycerin, actually इसमें और कई सारे emollients and humectants भी है. We'll talk about those in a bit. Very hydrating, nourishing, and gives your skin the ample amount of moisture that it needs. It also has soothing properties. My mom has been loving this as well of lately. She's been using it too along with me. Now also let me tell you one thing, that is toner में glycerin भर के डाला हुआ है. It is the second ingredient. So if you suffer from fungal acne, it might trigger your fungal acne. Now let's quickly check the ingredients of this toner. It has water again as the main solvent. Then it has certain humectants and emollients. Firstly, it has glycerin, xylitol, mannitol, rhamnose, fructo, oligosaccharide, then cucumber extract, allantoin, propylene glycol. It has certain stabilizers and emulsifiers as well, like sodium hydroxide, citric acid, disodium EDTA, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, which is also a surfactant, then polysorbate 20, again a surfactant as well, then citrimonium bromide, which has surfactant and antimicrobial properties as well. So it is really clever of them to add an antimicrobial ingredient as well, because it might make this safe for some people who have fungal acne, if not all of them. Now overall, I loved both of these products and they worked amazingly well for my skin. Otherwise, these are very suitable for all skin types, especially for sensitive and irritated skin. So that was all about this video. I hope you guys found this helpful and informative. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have ever used products from Bioderma. I would love to know, and if they have worked for you. And that's all for today. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.